Had to redo that because I sat there and now we got rain coming in. I still have more stickers to put up, but I wanted to share with everybody, and I guess it's raining in here. The other day when Jesse and Lisa sent that vanilla, I had more in my package I didn't know. They sent me some prickly pear jelly and some papaya mango jam. And I was so excited about that. I'm gonna go ahead and open this real quick. Mail call. How cool. Look at this. Old Pecan Homestead. One of their shirts. Woohoo! I love it. Hey guys, sorry about that. It started really raining. It was kind of crazy because I was out in Jesse and Lisa's live stream, and all of a sudden that cold front blew in, and it went from like 70 degrees down to, it's like 50 something right now. So I have another sticker to put on my board, on my door. Oh, and this one's easy. Alright, I'm gonna sit y'all down. There we go. I'm a short girl. I'm only 5 foot. I have a bunch of more stickers I need to get up there, but anyway, I thought I would bring y'all down here with me because I absolutely forgot to check the bottom of that box. And I wanted to show that they sent me some jelly and jam. Oh, look. It's kind of wet. We got that fan going back there. I was hoping we wouldn't get this condensation. This condensation is what's causing that kind of mildewy stuff on the plants. That's not good. We're gonna have to figure this out. We've got some tomatoes blooming, and it's November. There's a lot of changes in the greenhouse. See, I had to take these out. I don't know what they're doing. I'm gonna have to pull a lot of these out. Kind of start over. Well, I will never plant pepper plants like that before. And I pulled a bunch of those out and I cleaned it all up, and then look, it's taken off again. Kind of cool to be in here in November when it's chilly out and you can see stuff growing in here. This is definitely my happy place, even though I'm having some issues. But look at the bread of Vermelia's peppers for that roughwood. Those are so pretty. And these are, I just pulled these out of the garden. Look at that. Brought them in here. Thought we'd look around while I'm in here real quick. Checking out that watermelon. Yum. I noticed that if you water and you get some overspray, I'm dealing with the powdery mildew. That is just not good. And it is kind of cool in here. I planted some kale, some more kale, and it's coming up. Planted some spinach. We're getting some heavy duty rain. These are the ones I pulled out of the garden. I just was not ready to end the season. And some chili peppers down there. It's packed. Now I'm gonna have to come in here and start pruning the citrus trees. This one's already getting pretty tall, but I do need to prune the undergrowth. I'm not wondering if we don't need another fan at the other end just to move the air back this way. Growing some potatoes, another tomato, olive tree. Yeah, these aren't looking too good. I actually could pull these out and start over with these, which might not be a bad idea. Okay guys, I wanted to show you that. It looks like I'm gonna have to, yeah, we are definitely getting some rain. All right, y'all, Wendy at Hardneck Farms. We will talk to you later.